Hey guys, it's Samantha. Today I'm doing an unboxing of an order I got from the Stamp Market. So we're just gonna, I think the best way to do this is just to dump the box out and see what's inside. Okay, so I got this really pretty pine bow die. It cuts out like the pine needles. I thought it was so super pretty. I think this would be beautiful if you cut it from like glitter cardstock or something. Then I got the Scripty Mary die set. So it cuts out the Mary word and then the shadow. Then I got these Scripty sentiment stamps. I just thought these were so pretty. I love the Scripty look. I got this Scripty Hello. I didn't realize this was going to be so big. This would be perfect for like a slimline card. Then I got this Fa La La. And it comes with the word and then the shadow. This, I'm so excited. So it's like a little mini letter board. And you can use it to make like tags and stuff for presents. It comes with all the alphabets and then the frame. I'm going to have so much fun with this. And then I got the Color Crush cardstock assortment pack. Just real quick, we'll look at the different colors. Comes with a lot of really beautiful colors of cardstock. And this is a pretty good weight too. I think it's 80 pound. So it just comes with all these different colors. I think there's one of each. Aren't those pretty? Just this whole rainbow of cardstock. So just a quick little haul video. I hope you guys are having a great day. See you again soon. Bye.